Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Aditi, and you're listening to Kaipan Aditi, where we talk about anything and everything. Alright, हम बोल रहे हैं बाय बाय टू जून. जून के मेरे बहुत बड़े टू डूज थे. एक, टू गेट ब्लड टेस्ट डन. पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग somebody who has thyroid, ये मेरा consistent process रहा है where I get tested every 3 to 4 months to adjust the dose, and this time around I've been consistently working out. I'm so freaking proud of myself कि मैं consistently walk कर रही हूँ, and it does not workout don't have to be like heavy weightlifting and like hits करना है and ये करना है and वो करना है. You gotta learn what you love and then keep doing that and keep doing that to stay active. And I think ये जवानी का राज भी यही है. Like look at that guy, I forgot his name. Like okay, I had to go back on Google and look it up. Milind Soman, oh my god, like he is such an inspiration when it comes to just aging like a fine wine, and I support that. And I hope everybody finds something. Just figure out what you love and then keep doing that, more of it. And for me, that's walking. Some days are good, some days are bad. It's just you need to keep pushing. So as I said, big goals to do's for every month मैं लिख के रखती हूँ कि ये करना है. And this time around I have 99% I think I have finished the big to-dos for this month. Yeah, blood test. I got my thyroid tested. It went down. I am so freaking happy. Okay, for those of you who don't know thyroid कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, don't worry about it. Totally, that's okay. For those of you have thyroid, जिनको है already, they understand the pain of it. And the hormone imbalance, everything, it sucks. It just sucks in general. Anyways, I got my blood tested. Everything's great, looking good for me. Next, bada target tha to get my glasses done. I have been wearing these glasses for, I don't know, more than a decade, over a decade. I started wearing them when I was in first standard. Yes, can you believe that? I do hope to start wearing contacts, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. I think I want to create content, but I don't know क्या होगा. ठीक है, चलो देखते. But I got my new glasses done. They are super sexy. I initially found like really these cute cat eye glasses, but उसका frame was so odd and weird, and I knew it would sting in the long run, so I ended up with something more square shaped, and they are pretty good as well. So that's checked out. Start the workout. I've started the workout. Get waxed. That was a big yay. Wax, not vaccination, but like body wax. Parlor jana hai. Okay, so for those of you who have never done facial waxing, don't do it. Just don't do it. But like for those of you who've done it, the pain, ऐसा लगता है कि थड़ाथड़ कोई थप्पड़ मार रहा हो चेहरे पे. Like literally it feels like somebody's slapping you that hard. It feels like that. I've gotten it done multiple times. Also, मतलब see, hair होना नहीं होना, wax करना नहीं करना, that's totally up to you. I would never pressure somebody into getting waxed, or like, just, I think I'm pretty hair positive, but like I like to stay groomed and all of that stuff. So for me, I am in general a very 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 hairy person, and उस पे आप अगर thyroid लगाते हो तो I have a lot of hair growth, and especially on my face. And so I just have to get it done. Like I find grooming fascinating, and I love to get it done, to get everything done. It's just personal preference. So I got waxed. That was a big deal for me. And then I had to like sort out some bank related stuff. So that's done. And then I have to get some stuff. Like one of my like biggest to buy for this year is to get a new phone. I broke my phone का camera, पीछे का, सामने का camera चल रहा है, which is why the content keeps flowing in. And then get some moisturizer, get some sunscreen in, and like I'm almost gonna be turning 30 next year, and I am excited for I don't know, like 20s are supposed to be a struggle and all that, and I don't, honestly, I don't mind struggling even in my 30s, like just to get where I want to go. I'm still trying to figure it out. the best advice that I've ever gotten about building wealth is first figure out what you want to do, and then everything will follow, everything will flow. ये एडवाइस आई है नावल रविकांत से, फ्रॉम दैट बुक द एल्मेनिक्स ऑफ नावल रविकांत. एक बुक बिफोर यू डाई यू नीड टू रीड, ये होनी चाहिए, द एल्मेनिक्स ऑफ नावल रविकांत. ओ माई गॉड, सो ब्यूटिफुली पुट टुगेदर बाय दिस ऑथर. सो बेसिकली ये बुक आपको फ्रीली मिल जाएगी नावल रविकांत के वेबसाइट पे भी, तो आप सिर्फ डाउनलोड करके पढ़ सकते हो. Forget about that. The book is great, by the way, just in general great. So I've gotten like major things out of my way. Phone pending hai, and then I wanna start driving lessons again. Driving ke, I don't know, imagine I'm 29, I don't know how to drive. I don't want to be dependent on anybody at any point in my life, and I do want to drive someday a luxurious vehicle, and for that I do need to know how to drive. So we're gonna get there when we're gonna get there. In other news, content, ये वीक कंटेंट कुछ गया ही नहीं है, हार्डली लाइक 1 या 2 वीडियो गया होगा. मेरा दिल इतना हैवी है, लाइक जेन्युइनली इतना हैवी है, इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है दुनिया में, जस्ट कैन नॉट लाइक. सो फर्स्टली आई वांटेड टू लाइक क्रिएट द पॉडकास्ट इन English only, because मेरे टॉप कंट्री जो लिसनर्स है वो है, पहला है इंडिया, देन है अमेरिका, एंड देन आई थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलिया या यूके. देयर इज जर्मनी इन द मिक्स फॉर सम रीज़न, आई डोंट नो. हाई, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम जर्मनी, ओ माई गॉड, आई वांट टू विजिट जर्मनी सून. It's beautiful out there, why not? I wanted to like do this in English, but I feel like that's how I talk. It's Ada English, Ada Hindi. It's always been English for us here. So I think that's what I'll stick to. All right. Yeah, my heart have been so heavy. Like content जा नहीं रहा है, इतना कुछ हो रहा है दुनिया में. I just cannot open my social media without looking at it. I don't prefer to talk about politics. Women rights, women health, women issues, yes, I might dive into that, but politics is just not my cup of tea, because chances are मैं किसी न किसी को offend करूँगी, और मुझे नहीं है interest. मतलब I would watch politics, but I don't want to discuss it or talk about it. So that's just out of the way. I wanted to talk about abortion, women's right, and it's just been so like, oh my god. मैं जब भी सोशल मीडिया खोल रही हूँ, इतना सब कुछ हो रहा है. इंडिया में भी हो रहा है, बाहर भी हो रहा है. एंड जस्ट मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि यार मैं अमेरिका के बारे में बात करूँ, इंडिया में भी बहुत इश्यूज़ हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारा कितना कुछ हो गया. महाराष्ट्र में ही कितना कुछ हो गया. आई वॉन्ट सी, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई डोंट वांट टू डाइव टू मच इनटू इट. I just want to say no uterus, no opinion. I cannot believe it. Like ये क्या था, मेरा पता है एक ड्रीम था, दिस अमेरिकन ड्रीम, कि हाँ बेटर लाइफ के लिए जाएंगे अमेरिका एंड ऑल दैट. एंड for some time as well I was there, I've lived there, and you know honestly बहुत डर के जी हूँ. 2 साल इतना डर के जिया है मैंने वहाँ पे. I don't understand how the time went by that quickly, but like ये अमेरिकन ड्रीम, is it worth it kya? Is it worth it kya? It is supposed to be, that country is supposed to be one of the most developed, progressive country in the world, and yet वो लोग गन राइट्स पे कंट्रोल नहीं है, एंड यूटरस पे कंट्रोल है. बट लाइक ओके ठीक है, चलो ऐसा हुआ. बट देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, सी मैं ओवर थिंक करूँ तो मैं हर चीज़ ओवर एनालाइज करूँगी. कुछ भी हो, एक सादा ट्रिप भी ले लो आप, यहाँ से पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी ट्रैवल करना है, तो देन आई विल ओवर एनालाइज. ओके यहाँ से ऐसे जाएंगे, यहाँ से ऐसे जाएंगे, पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी में ऐसे ऐसे सिनेरियो हो सकते हैं, मुझे बाथरूम जाना हो सकता है, फिर हम कहाँ रुकेंगे, मुझे अगर खाना होगा तो कहाँ रुके. मतलब आई एम एन ओवर थिंकर, सो आई विल थिंक अबाउट ऑल freaking possibilities. And like what if gas ho jate, so maybe I should carry I should carry some medicine in my bag, and I'm like always ready. So I'm an overthinker, and I would have pretty much like thought about everything pehle se hi, so I'm not disappointed along the way. But this abortion rights, oh my god, उन लोग का बहुत बेकार हो गया है. like at the end of the day, whatever happens, illegal abortion बढ़ जाएगा, and then that would also put a risk on health of women. That means the death rate might go up, and they might get a step closer to the Handmaid's Tale, which is horrific, crazy. I don't know क्या होगा कैसा हो गया, and just I'm just like मतलब मैं as a creator I do want to go there, I do want to create, I do eventually want to move somewhere. I don't know, maybe not, who knows कैसा है वर्ल्ड, कैसा प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है. बाय द वे आई थिंक वी जस्ट हिट इकोनॉमिकली, आई थिंक हम लोग 79 रुपीज़ पे है, 79 रुपीज़ पे है करंटली फॉर $1, विच इज़ क्रेजी. आई कैन नॉट, आई डोंट, अब ऐसे लगता है लाइक अर्लियर आई यूज टू थिंक ओ माई गॉड यू नो अमेरिका है, अमेरिकन ड्रीम, अमेरिका जाना है. बट do I really want to? Like, me and my friend the other day sat down and we were like, do we really want to? Look at how things are turning out. Do we really want to? Like, no, like I don't want to live डर डर के नहीं जीना है मेरे को, कहीं पे भी रहना नहीं है ऐसे. I want to be happy, I want to have full flourishing life, I want to have great circle of friends, mixed circle of friends. I want to grow as a human, I want to have some positive genuine connections who want the best for me. And this just hurts, whatever is happening, it just hurts. All right, that got me into thinking कि इंडिया के क्या राइट्स है अराउंड अबॉर्शन. एंड yes, you can legally abort up to 20 weeks, that is approximately 5 months, and under special circumstances, and आपको सब permission वगैरह लेके I think you can go up to 24 weeks, that is 6 months तक आप abortion करवा सकते हो. More details on just google the rights of abortion in India, and just you'll see a lot of articles around that. And right now I can just say I'm grateful to just have a right. It sucks. In the other news, please go donate to Assam की हालत genuinely बहुत ख़राब है. यूनिसेफ के वेबसाइट पे जाओ, please go donate, please go help support Assam के लोगों को सपोर्ट करो. I've done that, I've done my part. Please do that. All right. On to something lighter topic पे बात करते हैं. So you all know I've been into this arranged marriage world for almost since like 4 years now. Okay, so there was another guy I ended up chatting with, and it sucks because वो सेम स्टेट में नहीं रहता है एज कम्पेयर टू वेयर आई एम लिविंग. आई लिव इन महाराष्ट्र, ही डज नॉट लिव इन महाराष्ट्र, एंड लीविंग माई स्टेट वुड बी सो मच ऑफ अ ड्रास्टिक चेंज. कितना एडजस्ट करना, मतलब जो करता है ना बॉस, सही में सो मच रिस्पेक्ट टू यू. इफ़ यू मूव्ड स्टेट्स, इफ़ यू आर from a certain background, and if you change, absolutely like change, like let's say for example you live in Mumbai and suddenly you have to move to like Delhi or Punjab or a state that does not speak Hindi as their first language. I cannot imagine the struggle. So this was something that was happening with this guy. I asked him. I wanted to talk to him. I was aware कि यार वो ये दूसरे स्टेट से है, बट लाइक आई टोल्ड हिम यार आई वॉजेंट अवेयर. मैं उसको ऐसे बोली, झूठ बोली मैं, यार आई वॉजेंट अवेयर तू ये स्टेट से है, आई एम सॉरी, बट ये बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. बट यू नो वाई आई इवन डिड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. आई वॉन्टेड टू नो वेदर he'd be willing to move half the way. मैं मेरा स्टेट छोड़ के आऊँ, बट वो उसका कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करके हाफ वे मेरे को ना मिले. मतलब isn't it supposed to be 50-50, right? Like I leave my everything behind just so that I could take care of his family, because उसका expectation ये था. मैं उसको पूछिए तेरा expectation क्या है, and he was like, you are working is a non-negotiable for him, कि his wife needs to work and that the wife needs to take care of his family. And I was like, family matlab kya? Like your parents, your kids, your what? You what? And he said of me and just himself, I guess, I don't know, like I don't remember what he said after that, but his expectation was कि वो person should be working, and I was like, okay, fair enough, working, fair enough. But what are your thoughts on moving states altogether? Like जितना इतना ग्लोरीफाइड किया था ना पिक्चर में, 2 states में, वेयर दे आर लिविंग वर्किंग 2 states, 2 different states, एंड इट्स ईजी. नहीं ब्रो, इट्स नॉट ईजी. कितना ग्लोरीफाइड किया था, एंड कितना प्यार, रोमांस, लव, इश्क, मोहब्बत, क्या है ये. ओके, आई एम गोना स्टॉप. would you move places, or would you ask the person to meet you half the way कि मैं वहाँ तक नहीं आऊँगी because so and so, I don't know, can we meet halfway and settle somewhere here? I don't know, depends also upon the job, right? I knew somebody जो पुणे में रहती थी, पर she got her master's MBA done, and अब उसका job दिल्ली में है. एंड उसका हस्बैंड जो रिसेंटली शी गॉट मैरिड, उसका हस्बैंड को वो बोलिए कि ऐसा ऐसा सीन है, एंड वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहा है. तो ही वॉज सो डाउन फॉर इट. ही वॉज लाइक, चल दिल्ली चलते हैं. एंड आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट आर यू किडिंग मी? लाइक सीरियसली, डू such people exist? And that's great. That worked out. It worked out so perfectly well for him. Yeah, at the end of the day, I have realized, for me, marriage is not a need, but like a want. Like I'm making a conscious choice कि मुझे करना है, मुझे मेरा कटवाना है. No, like it's a conscious choice that I am making for myself, that hey, okay, I want to get married. अब necessity नहीं रहा है. We are independent, we are strong. Like there is so much that a woman can do. It's unreal. Yeah, I kept asking, at the end of the day, I kept asking question, and I kept asking, do you have any more questions? Okay, just a piece of advice for anybody who's pursuing arranged marriage. If a person asks you a question, ask the same question back, because chances are that person wants to express that answer to you. So let's say मैंने अगर सामने वाले को पूछा, so what are your non-negotiable, कि यार तो इस पे बज नहीं होगा, ये ऐसा ही रहेगा, ये मैं इसमें negotiate नहीं कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. I asked him this, and he never asked me that question in return, and I was like, okay, then let's move on. So always ask the same question back if you think that is very, very important to you. Alright you guys, फिर एंड वेल, अगर हम शादी की बात कर ही रहे हैं, तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टॉप न्यूज़ ऑफ द आवर. आलिया भट्ट एंड रणबीर कपूर are pregnant. They're going to be parents. It's a super happy, lucky time, good time for them. Super happy for them. Congratulations. Huge love, big love to this couple. I am so happy for them. But when I first saw the news on Pink Villa, apparently not even on Alia's page, but on Pink Villa ka page, there was this judgment that came out of me, that my first thought when I came across this news was, okay, that was quick. And then I kept asking, where is this judgment coming from? Like, ये judgment was coming from myself, okay? लोग तो जज कर ही रहे हैं, but then I'm like, I'm better than this. Why? Where is this judgment coming from? And one answer, I guess, to it: insecurity. Okay, so Alia Bhatt and I myself, me, are both the same age, yet one of us is super rich, super successful, super deserving, because of course she worked very hard to be where she is. And then the direct comparison of, hey, such two different worlds we live in, like wo mere jitni hai and she've achieved so much in life, and I've not even like started off, and like just these comments kept swirling up in my brain. And on top of that, people keep sharing and asking me कि अभी तो शादी हुआ है, कभी शादी हुआ था, मेरे को बता तो सही, इसका शादी कभी हुआ था, व्हाट मंथ में हुआ था. Like, I was shocked when I had so many people come and ask me, like multiple, two, three, four people in my circle came and asked me about this. But like, honestly, like, when has a woman not risen to this challenge? Like, she is so well successful, and I am pretty sure this baby might be planned out, because the industry we live in, it sucks, and there are times where, uh, they might be into contract, or they might be filming a role or a movie or TV show where the contract says ki you cannot get pregnant during this time of while shooting or something along those lines. So I'm pretty sure they are well aware about where they are, what they're doing, and we are nobody to judge them. And agar even if it was planned or not planned, तुमको क्या करने का है? What have we got to do with it? Like, she is secure enough to raise a baby by her own self, and what is this judgment? Where is this coming from? इतना मतलब इतना talk of the town कि वो troll हो रही है just so that just because she got pregnant, and that too this early. Like, ideally, when you think about it, 29, 30, 31 is like a good age. But again, I'm nobody to say this to anybody ki what is a good age to get pregnant. But I will talk about myself. I'm 29, and most of my friends have like given birth to a kid, and so I completely understand. And it's her body, it's her choice, it's her uterus, so nobody has an opinion on that. The only opinion, that's what I'm telling you, ki the only judgment that's coming from as people who are insecure, and I am one of those people, let me just say that. So insecure bhi nahi, but more like maybe jealousy. So I will be very frank, like I'm very upfront about such things. Where am I doing wrong? How can I do better? This has always been my forefront in my brain. How can I do better? So I am genuinely very, very happy. Now, on the other flip side of the coin, Deepika, Ranveer, Kat, Vicky Kaushal, are you kidding me? They're like legit like a direct comparison from them to Alia and Ranbir. Ki oh my god, like Deepika did not get pregnant itna jaldi, Kat did not get pregnant, Alia but got pregnant, and like, what the heck is going on? Are bhai, again, no uterus, no opinion. उनको जो करना है करे. They are intelligent enough to understand what they need. वो लोग का career industry जो जैसे इसमें है उसके हिसाब से वो लोग they will make a wise choice for themselves. Like, who are we to point out such judgment? और इतना insecurity है यार लोगों को, क्या करने का है अपने को? ठीक है यार, क्या करेंगे अभी? I want to like just say this, like, whatever they do it for themselves, and we are nobody to judge, question anything at all. Whew. Anyways, chalo, दूसरा, every story I am coming across recently on my Instagram is about Pratik Kuhad. Yes, that cutie. Oh my god. So he's on a tour, and every single person who I know in my friend circle who is in US has gone to Pratik Kuhad's concert. I am so jealous. Okay, first of all, like, I love Pratik Kuhad ka music, but uska music is so emotional. It gets to me so hard. Like, I cannot listen to him too long, too far, like, because it will just make me end up crying more and more. And so I don't listen to Pratik Kuhad that often, but I know his stuff and it is brilliant. I love him. That's cute, man. That's cute. Next up, have you seen Phone Booth ka trailer? Nahi, I just saw the first look. The poster looks so bomb. Ishan Khattar, Siddhant Chaturvedi, and Katrina Kaif. What? It is giving me full vibe of Ghostbusters, where these three people are busting ghosts, and background may I think ghost, and maybe they all of the three, or maybe Katrina knows magic in this, so maybe she's a witch. I don't know, or maybe they are on a hunt to bust some ghosts. I don't know. Have you all seen the poster? Oh my god, it looks pretty interesting. I think I might want to check it out. More to come, I guess. More judgment to come on the poster, if agar trailer aata hai ye saal or not. We don't know what's happening, but the poster looked dope AF, and I had to chat about it. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for this episode. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Aditi from Kai Pan Aditi. Until next time, aujo.